Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Cadillac 2020 key fob battery used for Cadillac CT5, CT4 and a few more. As of now, this is brand new, so anyway, the battery you'll need is a CR2450. You can click on the link below to get it online. What we have to do to take the emergency key out by pressing this button right here. We press and we pull the key. Pretty easy. Now what we have to do is to push. You see this slot right here? Right here, okay? I'll show you this with the screwdriver right here. Take the key, the emergency key, and we push, okay? And then it opens, okay? Once again, this slot right here, we push pretty hard, okay? You open, you can see the battery. You have to remove the cover, not completely, of course. As I said, CR2450. Now what I do with a screwdriver, simply under the battery, very gently, you take it out, okay? See, this is an original Cadillac key fob. We take a new battery. This is a good one. I will put it back in. First we put this side, okay, back, and we press. Very easy. Put the cover back. Now we take the key fob cover. First we put the Cadillac part back in, like that, and then we press. That's it. You put the emergency key back and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you.